Why, hello everybody, what's growing on? Today, I'm gonna show you how to deep clean your pump. That's right, it gets a little icky sometimes. I'm gonna show you how to change that. The first thing we need is hot water. Hot water from the sink is hot enough. You don't have to boil it. You got your water? Did you undo the swivel hose? Yeah, you did, didn't you? Good job, you're doing great. Now let's move on to the next step. You wanna take off that front vent. I don't really know what to call it other than a vent. Whatever the technical term is. We're gonna give that a good rinse, swish it around, maybe take a sponge to it, but you don't have to work too hard on it, just get in the nooks and crannies, let it soak, maybe clean up a little while you're waiting, and then after that, just rinse it clean, reassemble, and you're good to go. You did great. See you next time. Bye.